Crowds overflow to buy self-portrait masks. Corona caution when the demand for surgical or KN95 masks peaks around the world. Then in a neighboring country, India, with a different kind of mask, crowds of people at a studio in Chennai to get these masks with their own printed pictures. People can be easily recognized by looking at the masks, but not only your own pictures. You can also put pictures of world leaders or celebrities in the masks if you want. Suddenly, the studio in Chennai is busy with the idle time spent in lockdown. People of all ages are running to this studio in South Chennai after breaking the lockdown because there is a strange mask as the face is covered with a mask. It is the responsibility of the people to know, and the solution to this problem is found in STM Studio. They are making masks with pictures of the customer's face, and if you read it, you can recognize the masked person from a distance. Customers are happy to get this different type of mask. One buyer said it was quite comfortable and beautiful. The clothes are also quite good, which will give you an elite look. The photo studio business is in a slump due to continuous lockdown. So the studio owner started making this exceptional mask from the of something different, where the customer's picture is taken in the studio camera and its 3D form is printed on any ordinary mask. And Tamal Amalla Raj, owner of the STM Studios, said the idea of making such a mask came to mind from the thought of some income in this epidemic. In the beginning, I and my staff started reading this mask. Later, it became popular with others. After the birth, the father announced his son's name is as Sanitizer. It's so funny. The whole world is sucking with the scourge of coronavirus. Lockdown is going on in different countries. There are various incidents happening in different countries around coronavirus. This time, the father of a newly born boy did another strange thing. The coronavirus panicked father announced the boy's name as Sanitizer soon after birth. On Sunday, Manika Singh, wife or Ambir Singh, a resident of Vijay Bihar in Saharanpur area of Uttar Pradesh in India, gave the birth to a newborn son. Soon after birth, Father Ambir Singh announced his child's name as Sanitizer. According to Ambir Singh, the coronavirus epidemic that is spreading all over the world is killing people. To survive the virus, people first use the name of the sanitizer. I have heard that sanitizers destroy coronavirus, so I named the boy after the precious liquid. Maternity Monica Singh said all the doctors and nurses at the hospital laughed after the announcement of the boy's name as a sanitizer. However, there was no indication from the family that the name would be changed in the future. My child and I are healthy now. Earlier, a girl born in Gorakhpur of the same country was named Koruna. Even before that, when the lockdown started, the newborn boy was named Lockdown. It's so funny, really so funny. In Raipur, a couple named their newborn twins Koruna and COVID. The boy was named COVID and the girl was named Koruna. So funny. Woman needs into the store. The owner threw goods worth of $2.8 million. The whole world is trembling with fear of a deadly epidemic of the deadly coronavirus. Of these, 65,000 1,072 people have been infected with the virus, including 1,307 deaths in the United States. In this panic, a terrible incident took place. A woman entered the shop and sneezed. The owner of the shop is afraid of having coronavirus in this niche. He threw goods worth $2.8 million from the shop. Meanwhile, the shop owner handed over the sneezing woman to the police. He claimed that the woman had symptoms of coronavirus infection. The woman threw away the goods in all the parts of the shop where she worked, the value of which is $2.8 million. On the other hand, US researchers are continuing to study the coronavirus. Antidote to the deadly virus has not been discovered. As a result, the number of deaths worldwide is increasing rapidly. The coronavirus, which has spread to more than 200 countries around the world, has killed 25,226 people. 5,55,006 people have been infected.